Alright, hey guys. So we're going to do some plowing in this video. I got the old Cub Cadet. This is my grandfather's tractor now. The 1964-70 Cub Cadet. We got the battery charger on it right now, charging it. We got a new engine on it. You know, I've never done plowing in the snow with this. I've only plowed dirt and shite. So we'll see what happens. Let me put this on the tripod. Let me see. I hope the battery's good. Carburetor. Close and start. Do this. Shit. Come on, crank it. Come on, buddy. Damn it. Damn people keep calling. I don't know who the hell that is. I'm not. Some bitches. I'll have this thing running in 1 second. Like 10 degrees out here, bud. Oh, man. This choke is just sitting closed. Come on, are you kidding me? The battery doesn't sound good. This thing sounds like it's going to start a fire. Alright, crank it. Crank her, bud. Alright, now let's go plowing. plow doesn't sit on the ground, damn it. Oh, we're dinks. Alright, well, I'm going to see what I can do with this to get the rest of the driveway cleared, and I'll get back to you. It's not getting the whole ground, so I'm getting pissed now. Alright, talk to you then.